Caravel, you can instantly analyze all of your conversations and feedback using AI and NLP without having to write any code. Caravel connects to your sources where feedback is both given, requested, and collected. Support ticketing platforms, surveying solutions, chat clients, and even your own platform data. Once connected, all your messages stream into Caravel as conversations are happening in real time. Caravel's system cleans this data to make sure it's machine learning ready, then joins it using natural language processing to organize your conversations into topics, intents, and sentiment. You get immediate insight in Caravel's reporting and analytics, where you can use Caravel's no-code AI to customize predictions. Then hook in automations to sync Caravel's insights to your data analysis tools, get real-time alerts, automatically update customer records, or deliver reports to keep non-customer facing teams in the loop. Let's say you work at a company with thousands of users on a free trial, and you want to know why those users aren't converting into paying customers. Your users are leaving you valuable feedback, telling you exactly why, but it's piling up and hard for you to make sense of. This is a source of conversations, and in Caravel, you start by connecting or uploading your sources. With real-time sources, you click to connect to your platforms where conversations are happening or being collected, and stream them into Caravel in real time, with the option to import your historical conversations for instant analysis. For this example, we'll upload a CSV file. All you have to do to start analyzing your feedback is tell Caravel which column to analyze. You'll instantly get a live preview of your data and a simple interface to map columns of your metadata to Caravel properties, like the original source so you can link back to the original feedback, the customer name, and the date that the feedback was received. In the background, Caravel begins instantly cleaning your conversations and analyzing them for topics, intents, and sentiment. Once ready, you can explore your conversations by their enriched properties in your feed. Here you can join various sources together and uniformly search them. Caravel provides approximate search, which automatically finds related words to your search terms for you. Using the classifier filters, you can instantly discover and analyze the topics and intents you want insight into. Caravel doesn't just classify the conversation, but points you to the relevant statements and automatically determines the sentiment. You can click into each conversation to get the full assessment. And using the sentiment filters, you can instantly review customer frustrations or key experience drivers. When you have a feed that you want to track and share, simply save your settings. Caravel will generate a report with insight into average sentiment, conversation frequency, and even predict customer satisfaction. You can analyze your conversations by date range and see how the sentiment and conversation frequency in your feed is changing over time. And get insight into each classification, its average sentiment, the number of times it has been mentioned, and its satisfaction. You can also see how all of these metrics have changed since the prior date range. As conversations stream in from your sources, Caravel will continue to analyze them. When conversations match your filters, they appear in your Conversations tab, and your reports will update in real time. Additionally, you can hook automations into your feed. Use real-time automations to instantly trigger actions on another platform when a new message comes into your feed, like alerting your team in Slack or escalating an issue in Trello. Use historical automations to instantly deliver all of your feed's insights to other databases, like Google Sheets, Airtable, or BigQuery. You can get more nuance by creating custom classifiers. Simply highlight samples of statements that you want to classify, and click to create a new classifier. Using Caravel, you can create classifiers to discover anything in your conversations, from reasons of churn to causes of bugs, requested features, competitive strengths and weaknesses, and even likely personas. So, let's get you started classifying today.